Why do kosher laws single out cooked food? Imagine preparing a meal that's not just about taste but also about following a set of ancient rules. Have you ever wondered why kosher laws focus so much on cooked food? Well, it all comes down to a principle called Bishul Yisrael, which means cooking by a Jew. This rule is about making sure certain foods are cooked or prepared by a Jewish person. The reason for this is because cooking is a big step in transforming food. When food is cooked, it changes in texture, flavor, and even how it's eaten. This process is seen as significant because it can affect whether the food remains kosher or not. For example, some foods are only considered kosher if a Jew is involved in the cooking process. Bishul Yisrael applies mainly to foods that are not eaten raw and are served at important meals. Think of dishes that are fancy or served at a celebration. These foods need a Jewish person to be involved in the cooking, either by actually cooking or supervising the process. The idea is to keep a special connection to the food and ensure it's prepared in a way that respects Jewish laws. This law helps prevent situations where Jews might eat foods that could be non-kosher because of how they were cooked. It also helps maintain the separation between meat and dairy, which is a core part of kosher rules. Since cooking is a key point where these categories could accidentally mix, Jewish involvement ensures that doesn't happen. Not all cooked foods need a Jew to be involved. Simple foods eaten raw or less formal meals might, not requiring this level of supervision. But when it comes to foods that are considered more significant or served at special occasions, the law makes sure a Jew is part of the process. So, the focus on cooked food in kosher laws isn't just about the act of cooking itself. It's about safeguarding the integrity of the food and making sure it aligns with Jewish values. By requiring Jewish participation in cooking certain foods, these laws help keep the food kosher and the community's traditions strong.